My name is Yukta. I am studying in LKG in group St. Philomena's group of institutions, Chandapura.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Which is our planet?
Earth is our planet.
Which is our continent?
Asia is our continent.
Which is our country?
Country.
India
is our country.
Which is our state?
Karnataka is our state.
Which is our district?
Bengaluru is our district.
Can you say states and capitals? States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Andravati, Andhra Pradesh, Srinagar, Assam, Deskur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Izaving, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata.
9 union territories.
9 union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Java and Ladakh.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Kabul, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Advant, Belagavi, Chandanagara, Chikkamangaluru, Chikkabellapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwada, Dadarga, Hasan, Haberi, Kalburgi, Kollaru, Kolara, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Ramagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Ujaypura, Yakidi.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odisha; Sataliya, Assam; Mati dance, Madhya Pradesh; Gandiya, Gujarat; ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಉಡೆಂಪು, ದಾದಾ ಬೆಂಗೆ, ಶ್ರೀನಾಥ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, ವಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವೀತು ಗೋಕರ್, ನಿರಾನಂದ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, ವಿನೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್.
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ನವರಾತ್ರಿ.
ಜನವರಿ 26.
January 26, Republic Day. August 15, Independence Day. September 5th, Teachers Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14, Children's Day.
Seven Wonders of India.
Seven Wonders of India. Gomateshwara and statue in Karnataka. Taj Mahal in Delhi. Hampi Temple in Punjab, Karnataka. Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. Nalanda University in Bihar. Khajuraho Group of Monuments in Andhra Pradesh. Golden Temple in Punjab.
Seven Wonders of the World.
Seven Wonders
of the World. The Great Wall.
The Great Wall of China. Machu Picchu. Taj Mahal. Cristo Redentor. Colosseum. Estadio. Chichen Itza.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India. Assami, Bengali, Urdu, Gogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India. Rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, rights to constitutional MDS. Top.
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Kutus.
Names of Kutus. Vasanta Ritu, Nishma Ritu, Varsha Ritu, Samanta Ritu.
Sharad Ritu. Hemanta Ritu,
Shishira Ritu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months. Chaitra, Vaishakha, Deshna, Hashana, Shavana, Madhupada, Hashija, Kartika, Madashuda, Pushya, Magha, Palguna.
Borders of India.
Borders of India. North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka. Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Narayanna, Amogha Varsha, Madakali Nayaka, Hitturani Chennamma. Akka Bukka, Chanchamarya, Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India. Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Navaram, Good Why day?
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Durgabai Deshmukh.
Gudavadi Deshmukh, Anna Sapali, Sudeta Kupalini, Hitturani Chennamma.
Keladi Chennamma.
Keladi Chennamma, Onake Obaba, Vijay Lakshmi Panik, Sajajini Naidu, and Chinani Lakshmi Bari.
Religions of India.
Of India.
Hinduism.
Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
10 Upanishads.
Temnukya Bishet, Ishesha Bishet, Kena Bishet, Kata Bishet, Prashna Bishet, Mundaka Bishet, Manduka Bishet, Aitiriya Bishet.
Aitiriya Upanishad.
Aitiriya Bishet, Chandogra Bishet, Isirgam Bishet.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas, Agni Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Brahmata Purana, Brahma Vaivata Purana, Gana Purana, Kurma Purana, Ringa Purana, Markandeya Purana, Masya Purana, Narada Purana, Padma Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Vamana Purana, Vai Purana, Vishnu Purana.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Vaisala dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty,
Gupta dynasty.
Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagar dynasty, Vardhan dynasty.
Helpful doctors.
Helpful doctor, gender physician, pediatricians, children specialist, neurologist, nurse specialist,
Gynecologist.
gynecologist, female specialist, psychiatrist, mental illness,
Nephrologist.
nephrologist, kidney specialist,
Pulmonologist.
aesthetic organs,
Ophthalmologist.
eye specialist,
Oncologist.
cancer specialist,
Urologist.
nerve specialist,
Urinary system.
urinary system,
Dermatologist.
skin specialist,
Gastroenterologist.
stomach specialist,
Cardiologist.
heart specialist,
Orthopedist.
orthopedic goat specialist,
Dentist.
dentist, teeth specialist,
Jyotirlinga temples.
Jokalinga temples, Visheshwara temple, Kerala temple, Kashishwara temple, Nageshwara temple,
Ramanatha Swami temple.
Ramanath temple, Bhimashankara temple, Vaitanatham, Ankareshwara and Mamaleshwara temple, Mahakaleshwara temple, Mallikarjuna temple, Somnath temple.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
10 Upanishads.
Temukha Bishet, Ishesha Bishet, Kena Bishet, Kata Bishet, Prashna Bishet, Mudaka Bishet, Maduka Bishet, Aitiriya Bishet, Aitiriya Bishet, Chandoga Bishet, Isirka Bishet.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientist C.V. Rasa Ramanujam, C.V. Raman, Homi Baba, Jagadish Chandra Bose, Meghandu Sava, Satyendra Bose, Subramanian Chandrasekhar, Vijayan Sarabhai, Anu Kokarkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals. Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Austria, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brussels, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Helsinki, Bulgaria, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Ireland, Helsinki.
Genders.
Genders: masculine, feminine, male, female, boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, son, daughter, daddy, mummy, papa, mama, uncle, aunt, gentleman, lady, husband, wife, man, woman, nephew, niece, sir, madam, bully, uncle, bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, lion, lioness, tigress, billy goat, nanny goat.
Major rivers of India.
Major rivers of India:
Brahmaputra,
Rangapura, Ranga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mani, Narmada, Terias, Bharini, Wayanad, Yamuna.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara, Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Dvarsha, Abada, Varshurama, Krishna, Buddha, Kaliki.
8 planets.
8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
National symbols.
National symbols: Father
of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem. Janagana Mana. National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital.
National flag. National flag.
Three
color flag. National flag color.
Saffron, white, green.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National currency.
Rupees.
National game.
Hockey.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National tree.
Banyan tree.